Hi, to install apps on Samsung Galaxy S25, you need to simply open Play Store and make sure you're signed in your Google account, because without it you won't be able to use your Play Store. And then you can see some categories on the bottom of the screen. For example, you can go through this games list to find perfect game for you. You can switch to apps and find popular apps here. You can also do the same for books, and you can use this search bar if you know which app you wanna install. Also on top you can switch from For You page to Top Charts or Kids or maybe Premium, and you can find those categories in which you can also choose something. So let's use this search bar and manually enter Instagram, for example, and try to download it. For that, we need to select it and then tap this blue button, Install. And after that, just wait a few seconds till it would be installed. If you're downloading app for the first time, then maybe you would need to enter your PIN code, or you would need to verify with the help of your fingerprint. So just do it and you'll be able to download apps. If you got some problems, then check whether you got enough storage space and also that you are connected to internet. And now the app is downloaded. We can find it in app drawer right here. And we got now two options: to open it from Play Store or to uninstall. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.